Elevado tengo el ki, suelto furia tras el mic. El puerco va atrás de mí, sospechosa la facha de malandrín. Astuto cual mandarín.
We're here now looking at a Suzuki. It's $1,000. So yeah, we'll see what happens and see how it looks. And there it is. This lady had driven it from WA to the Gold Coast and wanted to let it go. So we picked it up for $1,000 and then I brought it home. After having a look inside, it definitely looked like someone had lived in the thing from WA to the Gold Coast. Not a problem, just had to get to washing, a little bit of maintenance, and I think this is an absolutely perfect flip. I'm going to show you a little bit of a trick that I've learnt. One time I crashed a hire car.
Dog!
What happened was there was a massive dent in the bumper, and I mean we did this a bit fresh, so it hadn't set. So I'm gonna give this a go. I'm not sure exactly if it's gonna work or not. It is quite bad. And there's a trick that you can do with hot water. So I'm gonna pour hot water on there, and then I'm gonna use the mallet over there. Normally if it hasn't set much, it's okay, but I'm not sure if it will work this time. So I'm gonna put the hot water on, get the rubber mallet, and I'm going to push it from behind, and in the ideal world we should get the dent out. So, well, let's be real here, didn't work exactly like the hire car situation. I think the plastic was, I guess it had been in a crash and hadn't been repaired for quite some time. So as you can see here, there's still a dent. So rocket cover gas, it's very dark here, I can't see much. There's Zico.
No, I'm a slave. My name's Zhang.
Zhang. This is Zhang.
Zhang the mechanic.
Zhang the mechanic. We imported in from China, Guangzhou region. After all, cleaned the car completely and it looked like a brand new car. Looks delicious and ready to sell. So the little Suzuki is actually finished. We have a buyer coming at 12 o'clock. What a great car, all fixed up, drives amazing, ready for an adventure. Maybe it's back to WA where it came from originally. Purchased for $1,000, we'd spent $233 on it, and we made $2,866.04. Perfect. And in a matter of 2 days. It's a new day. Yesterday, picked up another car. Unfortunately, we didn't film it. We went and got it at night, so we weren't able to film it. It's a great car. We got this car for $9,000. We sold the BMW for $8,500. So yeah, $500 difference. It was worth the $500 difference. We believe that with a little bit of TLC, like it needs a new roof, it happens to be a convertible as well, with a new roof, a nice clean, just a few small touch-ups, anyway, whatever you want to call it, touch-ups, I like that better.
What's the name of this fish?
Gefilte fish.
Gefilte? You know what this is? What is it?
Gefilte fish.
It's filter fish. Filter fish. You want something about filter fish? You want any of this? What's the name of the fish?
Gefilte fish.
Gefilte fish.
16 is probably where we're at, and lo and behold, here it is. Track edition, rev up model, twin intake, tuned without dyno sheets unfortunately. Made 400 horsepower, has Brembo brakes, NVIDIA exhaust, sounds delightful. What do you think, Romy?
It's gonna be good once we fix the roof, give it a clean. I like it.
I like it too.
It looks good.
It looks good. It's better to see it during the day.
Yeah. Definitely looks dirtier in the day.
Definitely looks dirtier in the day. It's so dirty inside.
Ew.
Classic 350Z issues. Door handle doesn't work, have to open it from the inside.
Ew, it's so dirty. Yuck.
Got a first cold start. Let it prime up a bit. Obviously there were a few things wrong like I mentioned. The rip roof, which actually never ended up getting fixed, funnily enough. The roof, it would open up and then just get caught at the very bottom and not close. So I later found out that if you just push down on it hard, it would secure itself in place. Actually have to film much because we just put the car for sale and it ended up selling. So we made a sweet $5,700 profit on this bad boy. I think all in all, it was a great day. Stay tuned for the next episode.
Elevado tengo el ki, suelto furia tras el mic. El puerco va atrás de mí, sospechosa la facha de Maladín. Astuto cual mandarín, abordamos un carril. La calle sabe la sombra y reconoce que el perfil